I'm Mark Sudonic, Textile Applications Specialist, Graphic Solutions Group. Today's screen printing tip, we're going to go over different coating methods for different mesh count. First one we're going to do is a 156 mesh, and we're going to do a 1 and 2 coating method. A 1 and 2 is going to give us the proper EOM and stencil thickness for this mesh count. One thing to keep in mind, you want to use the round edge of your scoop coater to get the proper amount of emulsion down onto your screen. Another feature of the scoop coater are these edges right here. What that does is enables you to put your coater against your screen, bring that edge up, so as you're coating, you have even consistent pressure all the way to the top of the screen. So that's one coat of emulsion on the substrate side. And then on the inside of the frame, we're going to do our 2 coats. Now your screen is ready to dry. Drying with the print side down is going to allow the emulsion to settle and give us the proper stencil thickness and ink well on that side of the screen. Our next screen is going to be a 230, so it's a higher mesh, and we're going to do a 1 and 1 coating method on it. And the 1 and 1 will give us enough stencil for this thinner mesh. And there you have it. 2 easy coating methods for 2 different mesh counts. For more information, visit gogsg.com. We'll see you next week.